we were here, we said that she's confessed and everything, and then things happen, and then like the dad breaks off the engagement, right? Is
Yeah.
that's what happens, and then and I think like even wasn't she also upset about something, Iman?
I mean,
What was
she
she upset
didn't.
upset about? I forgot.
I mean, she had plenty of reasons to be upset about. Like, you have Taimur walking in and bad mouthing her. You have Ahad walking in and bad
No, but
mouthing
why was
her.
she upset at him, at Bilal?
No, she was upset because Bilal tried to lock her in, right? To protect her. She
Acha,
got
oh
her
yeah,
arrested.
that's
So that's
true. So
that's one thing she
that's
was
where we
upset.
stopped last time. I think, like, she was putting, and but then she finds out,
Yes.
okay, and then she's okay.
Yeah, she was easy to get pacified, but the dad wasn't, and,
Dad
and
wasn't, and Dad's like, nope,
yes,
I'm gonna break this off, and then like
yes,
she kind of goes along with her dad, right?
yeah. I mean, which makes sense. Like,
Which is fine. I mean, yeah, that's fine. It's
yeah.
okay with
I mean,
me.
she's done enough to upset him. So like now that he's taken a call, she's like, okay, I'm not gonna bother him anymore. But she did not approve of that,
And her dad is not like a
dinner.
body gun, like he's not a toxic dad.
Not at all.
Like
He
even
had
then, like
he had right reasons, some absurd
yeah,
ones, but he
and
had
then
the
I'm
right
sure like he
reasons.
would have come around.
He would have come around, and he sort of did because he was already sulking, right? He denied Bilal, but he kept sulking, and the mom was in favor of Bilal all along. So the mom
Mm,
kept convincing both of them to come to the
yeah,
same tier, same page.
yeah,
The dad had a good point that how your method of protecting Iman is to lock her up, which is not the right method, right?
exactly. And
So
that's what he said. That's what the and I totally agree with the dad. And then my
yes.
other, like, I really like that scene when Iman calls her mom, and then they hang up, and then the dad's
Mhm.
like, "Usse mujhse baat nahi kari." It was
Yes,
such a sweet. It was like just a few sentences. It was such a sweet
yes,
scene, and it just
yes.
showed like how much like the bond between the two and how much they understood each other.
Yes, exactly. So, I mean, and the dad is really intuitive about
Oh
Iman.
yeah,
So,
he is. Yeah,
yeah. And the mom is just street smart. She understands everything. So, she's
yeah.
practical and street smart.
She
So,
she is actually.
yeah. So, I mean, what I didn't understand was what was going on in Iman's head because she did return the watch to Bilal,
That was
but that
before
was
though. Like that was
yeah.
at the
But
place.
in her mind, she still wanted to marry Bilal. So it
No,
was
not at that time. वो तो गुस्से में निकाल के देती थी ना.
Huh. So for that, and the Bilal took it also. So that
Yeah,
means,
yeah.
to me, the gesture was like, I'm calling off the wedding, right?
नहीं 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 नहीं.
But then it
It's
wasn't
not.
that because when the dad called off the wedding,
नहीं नहीं नहीं. It
she
wasn't.
was
Yeah,
genuinely
because
upset.
like when you're upset with someone, you just kind of like, yeah, lo, I don't want to do this.
So that's what happened. And Bilal is like, "Chalo, main le hi leta hu."
I've done that before.
And the funny part is, Bilal carries it along. And then the next day or something, that Iman comes to his house, and then Iman is in this, typical Iman zone, answering questions in a weird way. And then Bilal is like, कि तुम क्या ये watch लेने आई थी? So, and Bilal had enough of Iman. Anything you ask Iman, she's got the zindagi aisi hai, to waisi honi chahiye thi, ye wo. There's never a straight answer from Iman. So Bilal gets pissed off and says, like, तुम बात क्यों नहीं करती? तुम ये वो क्यों?"
No, I knew, no. You missed a few things in between, like.
Did I? But I was
Yes,
just
you did,
like, I
man.
was like, okay,
So no, no,
Bilal,
no.
you're equally
So no,
frustrated like I am.
no, I wasn't. I was like, oh my gosh, she's flirting, man. Like, she
Who
was
was like,
flirting, dude. So like when,
that was flirting? Oh, God. Bilal
yeah,
did
it
not get
was.
the memo.
It's very indirect talk, okay? Like I've done it before, and my husband's like, why do you talk like this?
I don't want it to be philosophical. Give
I
me a
can
straight
know. It was
answer.
like her way of saying, how she's like, कि वो, मुझे घर ठीक करना, घर भी तो ठीक करना है ना. Like it was just her way
Uh-huh.
of saying कि yes, I'm
Yeah.
okay. Then
Yes.
she goes and then she's like, coffee पी रही है, and then she's like saying all these things and all these things, and then she's like, okay, मैं चलती हूँ मैं.
Yeah.
Yeah. तो और क्या बोले
See,
वो?
no, I mean,
I
I'm
mean,
not
he expected to
enjoying
say
the
I love you. Like,
chemistry.
why?
No, you don't have to say I love you, but you can always sit down and have a conversation with your
Like
would-be
what?
husband,
Like
right?
क्या बोले?
Whatever. I mean, between them, they
I
have
mean, it's.
tons to discuss. I mean, there is nothing.
I
I
mean,
mean,
you
they
know, like,
probably have the
I mean,
most
मैं
topic to
क्या बात
discuss.
करें? You know, like, there's nothing
क्या
to.
नहीं बात करें? You can
I
start
mean,
with their
क्या बात करें? बच्चे कितने होंगे? I mean, I don't know.
नहीं उतना की जरूरत ही नहीं है. They have enough work related topic to discuss.
I mean,
The thing is,
like work related topic तो like work में भी हो जाता है ना? Like when
but
you're sitting
you're with
there, what do you
you're
talk
with
about?
your fiance. So
I'm sorry,
when
what?
when you're getting married to someone and you're in love with this person, you are always trying to find excuse to be with this person.
हाँ,
You know,
to be is
तो
different
कुछ ना
and
कुछ तो हम बोल ही लेंगे, हम कर ही लेंगे. To be just to be
to be is
together.
different and like to talk is different ना.
It's the same ना. तो ये तो वो तो ना तो be हो रही है ना तो talk कर रही है. She's
I mean, no, she was talking. He was saying it.
she was
like,
giving esoteric
it's like,
answers.
he was just like, वो भी तो इतनी फजूल बातें कर रहा था ना. लैब मैंने लंदन से लिया है. I'm like, okay, dude, like, wow.
And I was thinking,
Are you showing me how
DC,
it's showing
like a
off?
DC show makes that much money. Like,
And
yeah,
I'm
so
like, okay, are you showing
Iran,
off?
yeah, of course he's showing off, right? I mean, the DC can't be making that much money कि
But
Iran से
even if he
मंगवाया,
is, like,
फिर
I'm like, why are
लंदन
you
से
telling me to
मंगवाया.
like
But
ये कहाँ से आया वो कहाँ से
I
आया?
thought, I mean, for it could be taken as like in a show off, or it could be taken like he's genuinely describing his things that he likes and
Really? He likes that?
the way he collects things, And maybe it looks like he's a collector, right? He's been collecting from किसी से मंगवाया ये lamp
I
है
know. I'm like,
लंदन
I would never ask anyone to get a lamp for me. Like,
ईरान से या कोई पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट से वो
have you ever had
पेंट
a
ही
chandelier from
करवाया.
like from Iran?
No, but I have friends who've done this, like not chandelier,
Really?
but they have ordered coffee tables from Agra and all those stuff. So
नहीं मैंने कभी कुछ नहीं दिया. You know, I'm a very simplistic like farmhouse kind of person. Like my house is all farmhouse kind style.
yeah,
It's all like really like just white and neutral and just farmhouse style.
mine is very simplistic. My husband likes modern, so everything has to be the modern look. So so our furniture shops are either IKEA or what is it called, the West Elm or
मैं तो
something.
फर्नीचर शॉप ही नहीं गई इतने दिनों सालों से.
हाँ मैं भी नहीं गई. Like,
You know,
stuff
I
are
don't
done
even
and
buy like I
done.
don't like it. Like the stuff that I actually like, there are few things that I made myself that I put up. Like there's some
Huh.
paintings that I did myself and I just put them up.
Yeah.
And I have like toy room like that is decorated. I've got toys everywhere in the house.
Yes, you've got three
Books and
kids. One is
toys.
still graduating to teenagerhood.
And
So
we have
like,
books
of
all over the
course.
place too. So
Yeah, you read a lot, right? So,
I do
well,
I
anyways,
do read a
coming
lot.
back to Iman
Yeah.
and what do you
Yeah, let's
think
come
about
back to
the
Iman. So like, so मैं वो तो फजूल बातें कर रहा था ना. वो कहते उसने कहा कि मैं क्या करूं मैं.
तो वो क्या करे, ये बंदी तो बात ही नहीं करती और जो भी करती है वो तो हवा में कुछ तो बोलती रहती है. So like so there is no pointed question, no pointed answers. Like it's like weird that the whole Iman and Bilal की chemistry is so weird. मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती.
मुझे तो उसकी और लैला की पसंद है ज्यादा.
हाँ, exactly. Oh, Laila is like practical. Yeah.
I know. No. I like Laila. And लेकिन I think it's okay. I mean बेचारी अब उसको वो पसंद है तो क्या कर सकते हैं यार.
क्या कर सकते हैं?
Just
it's like spoon fed. Like we're force fed कि ईमान और बिलाल को पसंद कर लो. तो वो लोग सही है एक दूसरे के लिए. You gotta like it. Whereas you're not giving us any tender moments between them that we actually enjoy. Apart from a very few, like just जो table पे बात, dining table पे बात हो रही है.
हाँ.
Very few scenes,
You know, I really miss the old